Good day and welcome to NZ Money Making class. Have you actually thought about where can I purchase cryptocurrency from my respective country? Probably you find yourself in Cameroon, you find yourself in Kenya, you find yourself in Ghana, or other African nations, and then somehow it just looks so difficult for you to purchase cryptocurrency. However, look no further. I've brought your answers right to your doorsteps. But you would be wondering, is it that easy? Yes, as simple as that. You can get cryptocurrency using your various payment methods in your country, be it mobile money, be it a bank account, be it gift cards, be it PayPal, whatever the scenario is, or whatever payment method it is that you're looking out for, I've got you covered. Without much ado, while you're still thinking about whether to watch this video or not, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscription button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can always get more updates from me. So let's get straight down to business. I've dropped a link for you to get started and for you to do your registration on the website I'm going to be showing you. And the website we're going to be looking at today is no other than Paxful. Probably you've heard about it, probably you've not heard about it, but it's still a good one. So what are the things you actually need for you to get started with Paxful? First and foremost, Paxful is going to need you to get verified. However, you can still transact even if you're not verified. But I always tell people, get yourself verified so you don't get your funds missing and you're always safe. So irrespective of the amount of money you decide to deal with, you wouldn't have anybody holding your funds and telling you to or blocking your account for any reason. So always ensure at every point in time that you can always be able to move your funds out. However, I do not tell people to make use of huge funds. $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 is okay if you're using the platform for the first time, so that you don't come to the point where they could begin to suspect you for money laundering. At least you should give it some days, 10 days, 15 days, thereabouts, even if you want to increase your volume, so it doesn't look like you're into money laundering. So what do you need to get registered on Paxful? Very simple. Paxful is definitely going to need address verification, your ID card, a verified ID card that shows probably from your country, an ID card for either your international passport, your national ID card, your driver's license, and what's not. Every ID card you know that's most likely acceptable in your country. If they do not accept this, they will let you know. And after you're done with your ID verification, you also be needing to do a facial verification. And then for your address verification, you can make use of your utility bill or your bank statement. So once you're done with this, your account should be totally verified. However, even before this, you can still be able to make trades. If for any reason you try doing your verification and then you're having issues, you can still reach out to me. I will drop access to my social media links, both Telegram and WhatsApp. You're free to join any of them if you wish so. Though most of the time it's nothing different from what you already know. Just make sure that the image that you're sending is quite clear, and at the same time ensure that it's visible. Either you're sending in a PDF or you're sending a JPEG, whichever one it is. Just make sure everything is clear and there's no form of blurriness. If you're putting in a passport and you know that the glare could affect it, you might have to tilt it a little bit to avoid any form of glare or extra lights illuminating or bounce or reflecting off your passport. So Paxful currently deals on about 3 to 4 cryptocurrencies that they allow you to trade, and these cryptocurrencies include BTC, USDT, and USDC. So you can see that's right here: BTC, Tether, and then USDC. So if you have any of these 3 coins, obviously you can be able to deal in Paxful, meaning you can buy Bitcoin on Paxful, you can buy Tether on Paxful, you can buy USDC on Paxful. However, there's still other places where you can be able to exchange other digital currencies on Paxful, which I will get to, even not in this video, hopefully in other videos. So when you want to purchase, assuming your account is already verified, once your account is verified, you're definitely going to see it in your profile of the amount of money you can spend or the amount of transactions you can currently do on Paxful. So as you can see, once you touch the 3 buttons up here, it's very clear on what you can do on Paxful. You can buy Bitcoin, you can sell Bitcoin, you can buy Tether, you can sell Tether, you can buy USDC, and you can sell USDC. You also have the opportunity of you creating an offer with Paxful, which again is something amazing. And then you still have the option of seeing your balance, lightning, and then transactions, your addresses for the ones you've saved, and you can also be able to convert from USDC to BTC or BTC to USDC, whichever one it is that you want. Paxful gives you that option for you to do your exchange. So obviously you can see what it is. So for instance, I want to exchange BTC to USDC, and that's it. So for one BTC, I'm going to be getting $25,000 if I'm making use of Paxful. So this Paxful rate here, and then so you can see things for yourself. So having seen the beauty of Paxful, let me show you something. So let's explore the various methods that we can currently use in buying or selling cryptocurrency on Paxful. So let's say for instance I need funds on my Paxful account. What I simply have to do is I come over here and I click on buy. So first thing that Paxful needs you to do is you choose the cryptocurrency that you want. So if it's Theta, which is USDT that you want to buy, you come over here and then you see the rate, what it is. Now this rate is based on the current country that you fix. So if you want to change this to US, you can simply change this to US. United States. So that's United States. And so after doing this, you can also enter the amount that you want, or you can choose your payment method. But because I want to make use of US in this video, so I'm going to show you something. The next thing I'll do is I'll click on find offers. So this is what is currently available in the US. Wise is there, Payoneer is there. So you can see various payment methods are called ATM is also there, ATM is also there, Payoneer is also there. So you've seen some of the payment methods currently available. However, whichever payment method it is that you choose, Paxful is going to bring this out for you. So if you want to see other payment methods, so you need it to be more specific, you click on this 3 bars there. So Paxful is going to show you all the payment methods that are currently available for you to do your purchase. So you can come here: bank transfer, online wallets, debit card, gift cards, digital currency, cash payment, goods and services, all payment methods. So whichever one it is that you want, you can also. So let's say for instance I want to make use of online wallets. I'm going to come here and click on online wallets, and then you can see all the online wallets: Gcash, PayPal, M-Pesa, WeChat Pay, Venmo, Apple Pay, and then you can see a whole lot of others, whichever one it is that I want. So I simply click on it and then I begin to deal on Paxful. So if it's debit, credit card you want, Walmart, PaySafe, and then you see they have lots of cards that you can currently use, and gift cards as well. So this for the gift cards, you can see all the cards that are available. So whichever one it is that you want, you can see. If you want cash payment, is also available. So Paxful currently has so many payment methods that you can think of, and this is one beautiful thing that makes Paxful really amazing. So even Amazon wishlist is there, cards, game item, Google Pay, all these are also available for you, either you're buying or you're selling. So if you really want to get started with Paxful, just subscribe to my channel. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a proper trade on Paxful and then make your purchase as well. Thank you very much for watching.